Hi friends, welcome to my channel History of Mars. If you are new, hit the like icon and subscribe my channel.
The rock may appear to be made of wood. It is most likely type of the sediment that has been eroded and shaped by the wind and the other environmental factor. The texture and the shape of the rock suggests that it has to undergo the process known as the diagenese, which is the process by the which sediments are compacted and transformed into rock. It is also possible that the rock contains minerals such as hematite and cryophyte, which are known as have the reddish brown color and can give the appearance of the wood grain. These minerals are commonly found on Mars and are formed through the interaction of water and the iron-rich rocks. The presence of such minerals could indicate that the rock was once located in an area where water is present. The Mars Rover has also ability to collect the rock samples, which will be returned to Earth in the future for the detailed analysis. Like the video, share the video to your best friends, stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.